Good morning, ladies. So we're starting this series of just trying to help with some new information, some new training, just updating the whole Nail Sisters, because things have really changed. And I feel like, especially over the last 2 years with the pandemic and everything happening, people are just looking at businesses differently, and we need to do things a bit differently. So you're going to see some changes over the next couple of weeks, couple of months. We're going to start trying to learn new things ourselves and put it in here and share with you guys, and hopefully our team will go forward. If you have any questions ever, feel free to reach out to myself or anyone else on the team. Okay, so today's video is about Facebook parties. Apparently, I mean, I'm sure you found this because I know that I've been hearing this out there. Facebook parties are kind of dying. It's not really an engagement place anymore. I think launch parties are still okay because it does help start your VIP group going. But to be honest, when you're invited to a party, you do feel like you're just being invited to buy something. And I think it's become a bit of a turnoff for a lot of women. They just, they're not really interested. So what they are saying now is, instead of doing a Facebook party, what we should be looking for or looking towards doing is more of a workshop. And I thought this was really smart, where instead of them thinking that they're being sold to, instead of you're up leveling it and you're giving them value, you're serving them as your customer and being authentic. I just thought that made so much sense, because don't you want to go to something where you come out and you've learned or you've grown, rather than feeling like they're only inviting you because they want you to buy their product? It's such a different feeling. And what is being suggested is you do a beauty workshop, a nail workshop on a specific topic, showcasing only 1 or 2 products. Create a teaching atmosphere and a feeling of value, giving instead of taking. So they had 2 different ways you could do it, or you could do both. One is an in-person workshop in someone's home. I'm not sure that that's really going to fly here yet, but some places they are getting together more, or an online workshop. And I'm going to go into this more depth because I'm still learning it too. We're going to do some Google Forms I'm going to show you, but basically, instead of like throwing it out there, this party, and inviting like 1 million people, we're going to do a workshop and maybe only invite 7 people, so they feel special being invited. And it'll feel like a party, except that you'll just kind of go on and do maybe a little demo of how you do the nails. Very simple, like how it works for you and what you do. Or if you're creative, and you're really great with the stamping kit, then maybe you do a demo of the stamping kit. So it's supposed to be simple and easy and give value, but we're not asking them for money. And because they learn to trust you and like you, the sales will come anyway. So I'm super excited about it, and this is the first of a few videos as we go on learning together. And yeah, we'll start with this one. Have a great day.